What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, stocking hat on, and it's cold. So it's about 29 degrees outside right now in northern Illinois. So the weather has turned. I just got the last round of leaves done the other day, and we're ready for winter now. But anyways, so today's video is going to be me installing a Wi-Fi thermostat. I'm no pro at this. I'm not an HVAC guy. I got this on Black Friday like 2 years ago. I never put it in. It's in my own house, and finally ended up installing it. I figured I would go through the process real quick. It's not a long video. Show you what I did, how I did it. It's really easy to do, actually. If you just follow the instructions. I probably said that 3 times in the video to read the instructions, and it'll be easier. If there's anything you guys want to add or tips you have to make it easier to install this thermostat, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next video. Okay, here's the old thermostat. This is the old one, and what I'm doing is installing this new Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat. The first thing you want to do is come up here to the box, HVAC, flip that switch off. But you have to make sure of a couple things when you're doing this. So let's see if I can get the camera to focus, which I probably can't. But see, there was only 4 wires here when I took the old plate off from the old thermostat, because they're normally wired up with 4 wires. But what I did was I pulled these wires through, and this blue wire here, which you need to power the Wi-Fi thermostat because there's no battery backup, was inside the wall. So I just had to pull them all through. Then what you want to do is go through, take the old one off, label each one of these wires, and they give you a little sticker pack to put on each one of these wires individually, because you need to know what wire is which when you go to wire up the new ones. Snap that on. I flipped the switch and no power. So something's not getting power, so we'll try to figure out what's not getting power. Okay, so here's the furnace. So we're back here. I got the 2 plates taken off. Here's the back of the furnace, and it says right in the instructions you have to check and make sure that that blue C wire is actually connected to the furnace, otherwise you're not going to get any power to the new Wi-Fi thermostat. So I came down here, lo and behold, there's the blue wire. So it's in the wall, but it's not connected to anything, so you're not going to get any power. So what you got to do is come over here. It's probably hard to see because of the light. Now what you have to do is you got to come over here, look at all the wires, find the C wire terminal, and connect that up. Now we'll come back here, snap this on again. Flip the breaker back on. Connect to the C wire. We got power going to it. It's powering up. Now we'll just walk through the process of getting this all set up. So just to recap real quick, take off the old cover, take this, remove the old wires, label them all first, or take a picture too. You can take a picture of these, that way you know which wires are which. Label all the wires behind there. Make sure you have an extra C wire in there, because you're going to need that in order to power this. If you don't have a C wire, you have to get a wire run from this thermostat to the furnace. You could probably do it. It's not that hard, but this luckily had it, so I didn't have to worry about it. Label all your wires behind here. Get your new wall plate ready to go. Wire up your wires to the new plate. Come back in here, verify that that blue wire, which is the power wire to the thermostat, is connected. If not, strip the wire and connect that to the C terminal in here. Turn the breaker back on. Make sure you're getting power to the thermostat. That should be it. Okay, we got the power going. So I already did set this one. But if you go through, and it'll give you all your options here with the, it's kind of hard to get the right angle so the camera focuses, but you just go through all your settings. Here's your mode button, heat, cool, off. Settings are over here, and then you can go through and create your schedule and do all that. Also too, this was on Black Friday, might still be on sale. I got this on Black Friday 2 years ago for 99 bucks, and it's regularly 200, and I think it's still on sale for 99 bucks. So Okay, if you buy this exact thermostat, you're gonna need the Honeywell, see if I can get it to focus, Honeywell Home Total Connect Comfort. There's another Honeywell Home app. That's not the right one. You have to have this one or it won't work. So I got everything punched in. I'll log in. It'll connect to it. And there you go. So it's working. And then you can go through down here at the bottom and you can hit the system button. It'll tell you heat, cool, off. Your fan options. You can set a schedule in there. And then you can go back and then adjust the temperature. Now the only thing I did find is we went out of town. I turned the thermostat down to 60 and then it lost its internet connection, so we would not do anything from the app after it lost the internet connection, which it was still not working. So I would assume if the internet reboots itself, then maybe you could connect back into the thermostat, but it's working fine. You'll see here too, here's the outdoor temperature, and if it's not working it'll say connection lost here in the corner, but it's working. So I just wanted to add that in, that you need the right app, which is the Total Connect Comfort app, not the other one, otherwise it won't work. But whichever one you buy, if you don't get this one, you get a different brand. It has instructions in there, tells you exactly how to set it up, and also read the instructions. That makes it so much easier than just trying to go through without instructions. Just read them, it's easier, quicker, and you'll get through it that way.